students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 8. Chapter number 8, that is division. The sign of division is this, class. Okay. And class, these are our learning objectives. Okay. Now let's start the chapter. Count and fill in the blanks. Count and fill in the blanks. Class C, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now there are 24 bananas and there are in 1, 2, 3, 3 groups. Okay, there are dash banana in each group. और एक group में कितने banana है? 8 bananas बस. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 dogs in each group. Okay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See, there are 16 dogs. They are in 4 groups. There are 4 dogs in each groups. Okay, in each group. Now, division is a technique of separating a group. Division एक technique है of separating a group of things into equal parts. Into equal parts, the symbol of division is this, as I told you. Now class example, suppose 15 balloons are distributed equally among 3 children. 15 balloons हमें 3 बच्चों में बांटने equally. Okay, how many groups are there? See class, there are 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. There are 5 balloons in each group और यहाँ पर 5 balloons in each group. This is done by dividing 15 by 3. This is written as 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. It is read as 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. This is called division. यही हमारा division होता है. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को हमें डिवाइड करना है किसी ग्रुप्स में इक्वली, वो क्या होता है? हमारा डिवीजन होता है क्लास. ओके, नाउ डिवीजन एज रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. देयर आर 12 एप्पल इन अ बास्केट. एक बास्केट में 12 एप्पल है क्लास. नाउ टू डिवाइड देम इक्वली फॉलोइंग स्टेप्स आर कैरिड आउट. नाउ अब इन 12 minus 3 9 puts 3 apples in one plate. अब हम एक एप्पल 3 एप्पल एक प्लेट में रखेंगे. नाउ 9 minus 3 6. Now we have 9 apples but put 3 apples in second place like this, second plate. 6 minus 3 3. Now we have 6 apples but 3 apples in third plate. Okay, now 3 minus 3 0. We are now left with only 3 apples. Put them again in fourth plate like this. Here 3 is subtracted 4 times. Now हमने 3 को कितनी बार subtract किया? 4 times from 12 to get 0. Yes class. Here हमने 12 में से 3 को 4 times subtract किया है. क्या करने के लिए? To get 0. We can write it as 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. This division can also be done by repeated subtraction. Division is also called repeated subtraction. Or division can also be done by repeated subtraction. Okay. Now, if you remember the multiplication table well, then division will become easier. अगर आपको multiplication table class learn होंगी तो हमारा division क्या हो जाएगा? Will become easier. Okay. So you have to learn the tables properly. Now, come on the exercise 8.1. Express each of the following repeated subtraction as the division fact. Now 10 minus 2, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 0. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Now 36 divided by 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now you can decide the table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Okay. Now 18 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Rest of the parts, do yourself class. Now, division by distribution. Division also means distributing. अब division का means क्या होता है? Subtracted, repeat. Division means एक तो subtracted addition भी होता है, but also means distributing or sharing a group of things or object equally. Mainly हम जो डिवीजन करते हैं वो क्या होता है? इक्वली हमें डिवाइड करना होता है. सच एज राधिका हैज 35 बुक्स. हर मदर टोल्ड हर टू कीप बुक्स इन 5 बैग्स. और उसकी मम्मा ने बोला ये 35 बुक्स को आपको 5 बैग यानी कि 5 बैग्स में आपको रखना है. हाउ कैन शी डू इट? वो कैसे करेगी? हाउ? विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिवीजन. सिंस देयर आर 5 बैग्स, राधिका मेक सेट ऑफ 5 बुक्स. अब उसने 5 बुक्स के सेट्स बनाए क्लास. ओके, so that each bag will be one book from each set. Okay, she is able to make 7 such. अब उसने ऐसे करके 7 sets बनाए. Now how many books in all? 35. How many bags? 5. How many sets? 7. Or 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So each bag will have 7 books. Each bag will have 7 books. Okay. Now class, division facts. When a number is divided by 1, अगर हम किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, the answer is the number itself. और वो आंसर क्या होगा? The number itself. Such as 16 divided by 1, 16. 20 divided by 1, 20. Now when a number is divided by the number itself, हम जिस नंबर को डिवाइड करें उसी नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, the answer is always 1. When a number is divided by the number itself, अपने ही नंबर से उसको डिवाइड करना, the answer is always 1. Such as 5 divided by 5, 1. 28 divided by 28 is equal to 1. Now when 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. Such as 0 divided by 10, 0. 15. 0 divided by 15 is equal to 0. Division of a number by 0 is not possible. Division of a number by 0 is not possible. Now come on the exercise 8.2. Now divide the following by distribution. One has been done for you. Now class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अब क्लास यहाँ पर हमने put an equal number of cakes on each pack. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 12 केक है. अब हमें उसको एक पैकेट में इक्वली, हर एक पैकेट में ऑन ईच पैकेट में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो हमने यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर भी 3 और यहाँ पर भी 3. सो 3 + 3 6, 6 + 3 9 और यहाँ पर हमारे पास 9 ही केक्स थे. ओके क्लास, सो हमने उनको इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है. नाउ हाउ मेनी एग्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. अब हमारे पास 12 एग्स है क्लास और हमें put an equal number of eggs in each nest. अब हमें 3 नेट्स में उनको इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. ओके, see we can put 1 2 3 4 eggs in each. See 4. Now 1 2 3 4 again 4. 2 + 2 4. Now 1 2 3 4. So it is divided equally. Okay, understand? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, solve the following. 38 divided by 1, it is 38. 29 divided by 29, it is 1. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself class. Now class, division on the number line. Divide 15 into groups of 3. How many groups are there? Now 15 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So how many groups? 5 groups. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. There are 5 groups. Now example, Amit had 12 pens. He gave 2 to each friend. How many friends did he have? Now again 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Amit had 6 friends. Now, terms of division. Let us divide 18 by 6. So, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 because 6 3s are 18. Here, 18 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor and 3 is the quotient. Now, 18 क्या होगा हमारा, जिसे हमें डिवाइड करना है वो क्या होगा हमारा डिविडेंड, और जिससे हमें डिवाइड करना है वो क्या है हमारा डिविजर, और जो हमारा आंसर है वो क्या है क्वोशिएंट. ओके. नाउ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. वी नो दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ डिवीजन. Okay, multiplication is a repeated addition and division is a repeated subtraction. Okay, therefore we can use the multiplication tables to find the answer. Let us see how. Now divide 20 by 4. So it is, recite the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So here 5. Now 5 fours are 20. What multiplied by 4 gives 20? Let us say the multiplication table of 4 till we reach 20. We find that 5 fours are 20. We find that 5 fours are 20. ओके, जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट होता है और जो हमारा डिविजर होता है, डिवाइजर, उसकी मल्टीप्लाई क्या होता है हमारा डिविडेंड. ओके. नाउ 20 divided by 4 5 and 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. See, come on the exercise 8.3. Divide on the number line. Now 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. अब हम क्लास 9 से 3 स्टेप्स लेंगे. Now 9 1 2 or 3. So how many steps? 1 2 3. So 3 3s are 9. Again 14 divided by 7. Now where is 14? Now 14 divided by 7. So 7 1 2. So how many steps? 1 2. So 7 2s are 14. Understand? Class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now question number 2, divide with the help of multiplication table. Now 20 divided by 4 5. Now 5 4s are 20. Again 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. Understand? Dividend and the product is same. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, C method of long division. Now example, divide 42 by 6. We have to perform some steps given below. Arrange the numbers. Step 1, arrange the numbers. Step 2, now recall 6 tables for 42. See class, so let's decide the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. So 7 6 are 42. Okay. Write 7 at question place and 42 below dividend like this. Now subtract 42 from dividend. अब हम 42 को dividend से subtract करेंगे. So 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. That is remainder is 0. So our division is complete. Thus 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. Now class, डिविजन विद रिमाइंडर. अब हमारे पास क्या होगा, यहाँ पे हमारा रिमाइंडर लेफ्ट होगा. निशा हैड 13 चॉकलेट्स. निशा के पास 13 चॉकलेट हैं. निशा हैज 13 चॉकलेट्स टू डिवाइड अमंग 4 गर्ल्स इक्वली. अब उसको 4 गर्ल्स में वो चॉकलेट्स इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. नाउ शी मेक सेट ऑफ 4 चॉकलेट्स. 3 सेट्स आर मेड. अब उसने 4 चॉकलेट्स के सेट्स बनाए तो वहां पर 3 सेट बने. But there is still 1 chocolate left. और उसके पास एक चॉकलेट बच गई. Now she cannot distribute equally 1 chocolate among 4 girls as 1 is less than 4. Okay. Thus 1 is the leftover. 1 क्या हो गया हमारा बच गया, leftover. This leftover is called remainder. जो left होता है हमारे पास वो क्या होता है, remainder. Okay, now example, divide 32 by 5. We have to follow some steps given below. Arrange the number like this. Now recall the table of 5 for 32. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 is less than 32. So 7 5s are 35, but 35 is greater than 32. So we write 6 at question place and 30 below 32. 5 6 are 30. Now subtract 30 from dividend. 32 minus 32. Now 2 is left, which is less than 5. So thus 2 is the remainder. So quotient is equal to 6 and remainder is equal to 2. ये क्या हुआ हमारा quotient और ये क्या हुआ हमारा remainder. Understand? Now class, come on the exercise 8.4. Divide the following. Now class, recite the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. Write 4 here and 36. Now subtract 36 from dividend, it is 0. Now 8 fours are 32. Now 0. Class, you have to learn the tables properly. Okay. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Word problem. Example number 1. Manoj bought 56 fishes. Manoj ने 56 fishes खरीदी, but put them into 8 bowls. अब उसने उसको 8 bowls में रख दिया. How many fishes will be there in each bowl? Now 8 sevens are 56, so 7 fishes उसने एक बाउल में रखी हैं. Now come on the example number 2. There are 38 packets of refreshments for a group 4 friends. Group of 4 friends, find out how many packets each friend can get if distributed equally. Now we have to divide. Now 4 nines are 36. So 38 minus 36. 2 is left over. So 2 is our remainder. 9 is our quotient. So 9 packets is quotient. Remainder is 2. Yes. Answer 9 packets or remainder 2. Okay class. Now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.